Juanita? Hi, Juanita.
Hi, Judge.
I've been so long since I do this. So either I give them an extension to provide the stuff, or we issue a warrant, or what?
Or they have to pay the alternative fine.
Or the alternative fine, which would be the full fine.
Yes, sir. Mhm.
Okay, okay.
And then don't give them the 90 days anymore. If you're gonna extend it, just give them maybe the 30 days.
Okay. Okay,
Because I'm pretty sure that we have a lot of the defensive driving ones.
right. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, let me see. Get this. Okay. And Juanita, I have another question. Rudy Pettis, which one is his? Do you know which he represents? I know you gave it to me. Is it the one with the insurance, the Priscilla?
Yes. No, you know what? Let me see. Hold on.
That's all right. I can just ask him.
And Rudy Perez has 2 defendants, so I don't know which one.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Pettis. How are you doing?
Fine, fine. How are you?
Good, good. Hope
Good to see you all.
you too. Which ones do you have?
The only one that I received notice from the client was for Rudy or Adolfo Gutierrez for a seatbelt violation. I don't know if you have me on for anything else.
Adolfo.
Hi, Juanita. How are you?
Hi, good and you?
Good, thank you.
Good to see you again.
After all these months, right?
Right.
Seems like years.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Gutierrez was a seatbelt violation. He was to complete the trauma class, and it was before December 4th of 2019.
Right.
And so,
Well, he called us on Friday at about right before we were about to leave, say about 4:45. And he talked to Blanca from my office, and he said, yeah, I'm Rudy Gutierrez. I'm a friend of Mr. Perez. I met him at the gym on the west side at EP Fitness many years ago. And of course, maybe it's my age or something, but I don't remember. So anyway, he said that he was wondering, why he got a notice for show cause and wanted to know status. So we went back and researched because we didn't have the file here on the east side. And we found that a letter was sent to him on September 19th of 2019 to his email. And some people, I wasn't real good about looking at my email until COVID hit. And so we had to essentially rely on it. And he acknowledged on Monday that, yes, Rudy, thanks for your assistance regarding this matter. Apparently, I did get an email on that date, but I was not, I didn't notice it, or I was not aware of it. Please try, see if you can get me an extension if at all possible. I would really appreciate it. We told him he just needed to take the trauma course. And so we're asking the court for an extension. To me, it seemed sincere on his part. He just didn't notice the email. So he was still, in the air about what happened to his ticket.
Yeah. Okay, I can understand the portion of that, but I don't understand the period of time that elapsed for him to, address it. I'm trying to find out when this was assessed. This was assessed
In
2019, in September of 2019.
Yes, most people don't call us. They wait till we get a hold of them. They're pretty much relying on the fact that we're going to represent them, so they don't need to be present, and then we let them know. Every now and then somebody will call us, hey, what's going on with my ticket? Well, no, it's still pending, sir or ma'am. But in this case, that was basically the situation, is that he's relying on us to get him notice, and we did send notice, but he did not see it. So I guess he didn't check his email, and he did acknowledge that he did receive the email. He's pretty nice guy and everything, and he's pretty honest. And he just said, I never saw it. I apologize. If you can give me a little bit of an additional time, I will take the course. And that's all that's needed, really. I don't know if he's paid the court costs. He probably didn't, since he didn't get the notice, but he can do that right away, Your Honor.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to put him back in the same position he was 2 years ago. So I'll accept the trauma course. I mean, when did he get notice of this?
He got notice. He called us on Friday, and I thought that maybe you all had sent him notice.
Yeah, we did.
And I didn't get a notice from you all. At least we didn't notice it on our email. So it may have been on your disposition, but we haven't been able to find this file, because I guess we kind of put it in the disposition files, and we didn't follow up ourselves, Your Honor. So I guess we probably should have done that. And we're a little more organized now.
I don't know if there's any duty on you to follow up on it after it's been disposed of, but I would accept it with a $75 special expense fee.
Okay, that's fine, Your Honor. That's pretty reasonable. I appreciate that.
Okay, so he has 30 days to complete it.
Okay. How much are the court costs on top of that, Your Honor? Or is that all?
It looks like 105. I don't know if that's the total. It looks like 105.
Okay. 105 even, right?
Right, plus a 75.
Okay, definitely, we can get that done. I will call him immediately as soon as we're done here, and let him know that he's got to take it even sooner than that. I don't know how long it takes to get the certificate. Online, maybe now he can get it pretty quick.
Okay. We'll send this to you.
All righty, Judge, I do have a question. We told him to take the trauma course at Trauma Prevention Services which is located at 4815 Alameda. Are you all aware of that still? Are they still up and running, or is there another core agency that you all recommend?
Juanita, I'm not familiar with them. Juanita, are you familiar with any of them?
Oh, I'm not. I guess anywhere where if they allow him to do it there, then I think it'll be okay.
I thought the hospital, one
UMC?
given him some time at some point.
Yes.
That's what I heard. Yes.
Yes.
I don't know if that's the same place you mentioned, but that would be one place.
Okay. Well, we'll look into it ourselves. I just thought maybe you all might have a direct
Right.
knowledge of that. But thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I don't think we have anything else.
Okay. Thank you. You have a good day.
Thank you. Permission to be excused.
You too.
Thank you.
Sissy Suarez. I'm going to allow 2 in, and a Crystal Expo, I think. Ms. Suarez, if you can unmute. Red microphone button. And the screen Crystal CXO, if you can unmute as well. Okay, the screen Crystal CXO, your name?
Yes, you know what? I don't know. Give me just a second. I'm sorry. I'm trying to so you guys can see my screen. Give me just a second.
What is your name?
Crystal Casadas. Give me just a second. There we go.
Okay, Ms. Casadas, you were cited for speeding. You got driver safety course granted back in 2019.
Yes.
Yeah, you didn't take the course or you didn't provide the proof of it? This was due on February 11th, 2020.
Yes, Your Honor. Mhm.
Okay, do you have, yeah, you need to show cause why I should accept it or whatever
Yes.
reason you have.
You know what? During COVID, I did get a letter in the mail saying that all of the courts were going to be on pause, and I got it through the mail.
This
And
was
there
all
was-
due before COVID. This is due February 11th, 2020. COVID was March of 2020.
Okay. To be completely honest with you, I didn't do the course. I remember going to the police department and paying off the ticket, and I completely forgot about the course that I had to do.
Juanita, hers has the balance crossed through and $200. Did she make a partial payment? Is that what it is?
She did pay the court costage, so she has the balance of $200 or
For the fine.
the certificate. Yes, sir. Mhm.
The fine, okay. Okay, so yeah, so you have a $200 fine due.
Okay.
Paid the court costs, but you need to pay that here at this office. I guess can she do it by card? Over the
Yes. Yes. If she calls
Okay.
the office, I can go ahead and take a payment over the phone whenever, as soon as possible, whenever she's ready.
Okay.
Okay, can you call back and make payment?
Yes, I can go ahead and call and do the payment as soon as possible.
Now, so I can tell them to have it ready?
Yes, I'll go ahead and make the payment now.
Okay, you need to call the number 534-3917.
And then select option 2, please.
Okay, option 2.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now we have a Herbet Espinosa. Oh, no, I'm sorry. We have Sissy Suarez right here. I'm sorry. Ms. Suarez, okay. Ms. Suarez, you were cited for speeding. You were given the option of taking the driver's safety course back on August 15th of 2019. And it was due by November 13th, 2019, and together with the court cost, and neither were provided.
Hi, Judge. Good morning. We have requested the presence of an interpreter. I don't believe I see one right here. I'm a family member of Ms. Suarez. Ms. Suarez does not speak English. So with your permission,
stop?
Judge, I'll be translating.
Sí, buenos días. Yo soy Andrea Núñez y soy la intérprete. Quizás está aquí para su juicio, su audiencia. Usted recibió una infracción por ir a exceso de velocidad. ¿Sí me escucha?
Sí, no se le entiende muy bien, pero sí la escucho. A ver.
Puedo hablar más despacio. Usted recibió una infracción por ir a exceso de velocidad. A usted
Sí.
se le dio la opción de tomar el curso de manejo defensivo, certificado por el estado de Texas, en 15 de agosto del 2019 y le fijaron fecha límite el 13 de noviembre del 2019. Usted nunca nos dio prueba de que haya tomado el curso y no pagó los costos judiciales. Entonces, por eso es que estamos aquí.
Sí, así es.
Yes, okay, that's right. Everything you've explained, Judge.
Do you have any reason why you did not take the driver safety course or pay the court costs within the allotted time?
¿Nos puede explicar, tiene alguna razón por la que no tomó el curso y por qué no pagó los costos judiciales? ¿Nos puede explicar?
Sí, yo fui multada, luego acudí a un abogado para pagar mi multa, porque pues yo no tengo dinero. Entonces, este abogado metió mi caso a la corte y empezó a correr el tiempo, pero cuando pasó el tiempo, se atravesó la pandemia y bueno, yo soy ciudadana mexicana, yo no puedo cruzar. Y aparte, cuando me llegó ahorita la carta, me llegó hace como dos semanas, tres, y yo intenté por todos los medios meterme al sistema de computación para hacer el curso de manejo de Texas, pero me piden una licencia americana y yo soy ciudadana mexicana, no soy ciudadana americana. Entonces no lo puedo tomar aunque quiera, pero estoy en la mejor disposición de hacer mi pago y quiero aclararle al señor juez que en 30 años yo he cruzado a territorio americano, he manejado del este al oeste y hasta Ciudad Juárez, y después de este incidente he seguido manejando y nunca he tenido un solo incidente de tránsito más que ese. Estoy muy apenada por eso, exprésele mucho eso al señor juez y dígale que estoy en la mejor disposición de sus indicaciones. No puedo tomar el curso porque soy mexicana.
So I was given the ticket. I went to a lawyer so that he could pay the fine, help me pay the fine. I had no money. That's when the lawyer put the case into court. Time passed. The pandemic happened. I am a Mexican citizen. I couldn't cross. When I got the letter about 2 weeks ago, I then tried again to get into the system in the computer for the course. The system asked for an American driver license. I am a Mexican citizen. Even if I wanted to take the course, I can't, but I am more than willing to work with you. I'm more than willing to pay. And I just want to tell you, Your Honor, that in these 30 years that I have been driving in Mexico, in the United States, I've driven all the way to all around Ciudad Juárez from east to west. I've never had another incident in which I've gotten a ticket besides the one that we're dealing with right now. And I just want to say that I'm very sorry, but I am more than willing to work with you, Your Honor, on this.
Okay, all of the citation and the hearing and the due date for the driver safety course was all before the pandemic. So the pandemic didn't have any impact on your non-compliance.
Sí, la infracción que le pusieron, la audiencia a la que tuvo que estar presente, la fecha que le fijaron para tomar el curso de manejo, todo esto sucedió antes de la pandemia. Entonces, la pandemia no tiene que ver con que haya llevado a cabo los requisitos que le impuso la corte.
Sí, lo que pasa es que yo no me enteré porque el abogado que llevaba mi caso renunció. Entonces, la firma pues no me avisó que mi caso se quedó en el aire y el tiempo comenzó a pasar y esta persona dejó el caso, entonces pues nos quedamos todos sin saber qué pasó. Yo ya no le di seguimiento, por lo cual me disculpo. Tal vez debí haberme ido yo no esperaba que esta persona renunciara, la verdad. Yo pensaba que pues que los tiempos de la corte están ocupados y que pues que así es. pero no pensaba que esta persona fuera a renunciar y mi caso se fuera a quedar de tal modo en el aire y quedando mal con ustedes.
I did not know, to be honest, the lawyer that was working on my case quit, and the firm did not let me know that my case was still up in the air. And time passed. They never let me know that my case was in this situation. And it was my fault, partly because I did no follow-up. I thought that lawyers, they're busy with their cases. They would let me know somehow. I would never expected my lawyer to quit. And I do apologize for being in this situation. I was not aware that my case would end up in the air like this.
Who was your lawyer that quit?
¿Quién es su abogado el que renunció?
Para law firm.
He appeared. He didn't quit.
No renunció, dice el juez.
El paralegal.
El paralegal renunció.
Oh, the paralegal quit.
He appeared in court and he requested defensive driving, which was granted.
Él estuvo en la corte, él fue el que pidió que usted tomara el curso de manejo.
Sí, pero cuando lo tomé, pues la computadora me pedía una licencia del estado de Texas y pues yo no lo tengo.
Yeah, but when I tried to take it, the system was asking for a Texas driver's license, and I don't have one.
That was just recently. This was due back in 2019.
Pero eso fue recientemente, ¿no? Porque el curso le pusieron fecha límite en el 2019.
Pero yo no sabía lo que estaba pasando porque el paralegal no me avisó, la firma no se puso en contacto conmigo y yo no sabía que me tenía que presentar. Me enteré ahora que me llegó una carta.
But I did not know. The paralegal did not let me know. The firm did not call me to let me know that I had to be to make myself present. It was only recently when I got the letter.
Okay, but that's something you need to take up with your attorney. We don't get involved between you and your attorney. That's something that you need to take up with him.
Sí, eso es algo que usted tendría que platicar y arreglar con su abogado. Eso no nos podemos nosotros involucrar.
It's going to be the $200 fine plus the court costs. It's $315.10, which is due.
I'm sorry, Judge, can you repeat the total?
No, $315.10.
Yes. Se le impondrá a usted una multa de $200 más los costos adicionales. Sería un total de $315.10.
¿Hasta cuándo tengo para pagar, señorita?
Up to when do I have to pay?
Oh, it's due now. There's no.
¿Se puede ahora?
No puedo ir.
I can't go. I can't cross over.
Okay, well, you can make payment by phone or however you expect to make payment. It's up to you.
Usted puede hacer el pago por teléfono o por cualquier otro método que usted prefiera.
Deme un segundo.
One moment, please.
¿Me está diciendo que ya? ¿Que voy? No, pues ni modo, señorita, sí, yo lo pago. Dígale al juez que me voy a hacer cargo de este pago inmediatamente a ver cómo le hago y que mil disculpas, sí, con la pena.
Okay, I will take care of the payment right now, immediately, and I do want to apologize to you, Judge. I'm sorry.
Okay, well, thank you. Do you need the phone number you need to call this office? You have a pen or pencil?
Le vamos a dar el número de nuestras oficinas para que llame para hacer el pago. ¿Sí tiene con qué apuntar?
Sí.
915
915
534
534
3917.
3917 534 3917. Entonces el 915 534 3917.
Sí, muy bien.
Con la opción número 2, por favor.
¿Qué?
Así en el menú que le van a dar opciones cuando llame, presione el número 2 para hacer el pago.
Muy bien.
Muy bueno.
Thank you. You can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Ya puede retirarse de la llamada. Muchas gracias.
Herbet Espinosa and Priscilla Saucedo? Or no? Mr. Espinosa, if you can unmute. Wait, where'd he go? There he is. You can unmute Mr. Espinosa? There you go. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay. Mr. Espinosa, you were cited for open container in a motor vehicle. You were given a deferred disposition back on July 25th, 2019. The amount of the court cost, you were to take the AA class plus court cost due. And that was due back in 2019, and we never heard from you.
okay. I know a little bit English.
We have an interpreter.
Okay,
buenos
thank you.
Yo soy Andrea Núñez, intérprete traductora. Usted recibió una infracción por tener un contenedor abierto dentro del vehículo. A usted se le impuso un aplazamiento el 25 de julio del 2009. La corte le ordenó que fuera a un curso de Alcohólicos Anónimos y además de eso que pagara los costos judiciales. Esto se le fijó a la fecha en el 2019 para que hiciera todos estos requisitos, pero no oímos más de usted. Por eso es que está aquí hoy.
Ok, discúlpame. ¿Dijiste el 2009 o 2019?
2019.
Ok. Sí, me dieron unas clases para que se me quitara ese ticket, ¿verdad?
Ujú.
Y bueno, pues ahí bueno, nomás quería decirle que les pido disculpa porque no las cumplí, porque estaba pasando por unos problemas personales con mi familia y pues me sentía mal, tuve un divorcio y pues me metí como en depresión, me dieron muchas ayudas y perdí pues todo y no tenía ganas de hacer nada y fue mi razón que no tenía trabajo ni nada y fue una razón de las que no cumplí las clases que ustedes me habían dado, pero nomás si le pudiera decir al juez que si me da una chance para cumplirlas, ahora pues puedo y estoy mejor que como estaba antes.
Yeah, so I was told to take some classes so I could get rid of the ticket. And I want to apologize to Your Honor that I did not take the classes. I was going through some personal problems with my family. I was in a bad place. I went through a divorce. I was depressed. I did get help. I was not working. I didn't have a job. I wasn't enjoying things. I wasn't doing the things that I was supposed to. And so that's why I did not complete the course. But I am asking Your Honor for a second chance so that I can take the course. Now I can, and I am doing better.
Okay. Well, I'm glad that you're doing better. But
Que esté mejor ahora.
¿Mande?
Nos alegra que usted se encuentre mejor.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
The problem though is this is 2019 and there wasn't any contact with us until we contacted you. So I'm not going to allow the opportunity to take the course again. That time has come and passed. The fine is $500. I will, in light of your situation, I'll reduce the fine to $300 plus the court cost.
Porque este curso teníamos como fecha límite en el año del 2019. El juez no le puede dar la oportunidad de volver a tomar el curso. Usted no se puso en contacto con nosotros hasta que nosotros le mandamos la carta, entonces por esa razón no podemos darle la oportunidad. El juez le está imponiendo una multa, usualmente es de $500, pero ya al saber de su situación va a ser una multa reducida, una multa de $300 más los costos judiciales.
Ok, pero pagando eso, ¿me quitarían el ticket ese de Open Container?
And with paying that, would the ticket be taken off?
No, it'll be on your record. There'll be a finding of guilty.
Sí, no, estará en su récord de manejo que lo encontramos culpable.
Es porque cuando yo fui la primera vez, yo le expliqué al juez que, ¿cómo se llama? Que el open container que estaba allí no era mi carro, era el carro de un amigo mío, y le expliqué que pues que mis otros amigos eran los que venían tomando, pero yo venía en la parte de atrás, pero yo no venía tomando. E incluso le quitaron el carro a uno de mis amigos y el oficial me dio a mí la chance que me llevara el carro de mi amigo, porque yo no estaba tomando, pero le expliqué la primera vez que fui a corte con el juez, y fue por eso la razón que me dio a la chance que agarrara las clases, y que él me iba a quitar eso de mi récord para que no me saliera, pero pues no sé ahora.
Yeah, I'm asking because the first time I was here, you explained to me that the ticket for the open container, I explained that it wasn't mine, it was my friend's car. It was my other friends who were drinking. I was in the back, I was not drinking. And goodness, excuse me, give me a second. That is what I was given the chance to take the course. The car wasn't a friend, and that was explained the first time that is why I was given a chance to take the course so that it could be taken off a record, but now I don't know anymore.
Right, well, that may have been, but that was the condition back in 2019. It won't appear on your record if you do these things, and you didn't do those things.
Y esas eran las condiciones en el 2019 cuando primero estuvo aquí. Si lleva a cabo todos los requisitos, se le quitará de su récord, pero no llevó a cabo los requisitos.
Ok, no, está bien. Bueno, ¿cuánto? Pero bueno, la multa que me van a dar, ¿las podría pagar en pagos o?
So the fine that I've just been given, can I make small payments?
I'm going to give you a number. Do you have a pen or paper?
Sí, le vamos a dar un número. Si tiene
¿Tienes
que
una
apuntar.
pluma? Espérame. Okay.
915.
Espérame, ahí lo voy a hacer.
Este momento.
915.
534.
534.
Ajá.
3917.
3917. 3917.
And option 2.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Option 2. When you call the number.
Cuando llame en el menú de opciones, va a tener que presionar el número 2.
Opción 2. Ok.
Okay.
And contact them, and they will direct you to the department for setting up a payment plan.
Y eso le mandará al departamento para que pueda usted hacer el pago en abonos, en un plan de pago, para que le den un plan de pago.
Ok, muchísimas gracias, ok.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sí, gracias a usted.
Ok, ¿es todo?
And that's it.
Solo.
Es todo, señor. Si quiere ya
Gracias.
retirarse.
Ok,
Muchas
gracias.
gracias.
Bye.
Mrs. Saucedo, Priscilla Saucedo, you there? Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, hello. How are you doing?
Good, good. Thank you.
Saucedo, you got a citation for, this is the one. Yes. Okay, for no insurance, failure to maintain financial responsibility. And you were ordered to provide proof of 6 months insurance and payment of the court costs, I suspect. You sent in did you just recently send in this insurance card?
So we had taken that insurance card back then when I had gotten when you had given me that order to turn in every 6 months. So when we turned it in, they told us since it's an insurance for 6 months, that would be good. And so I figured it would be taken care of.
They didn't tell you it was good. You have to bring it in each month to show that it's kept up. I mean, you can get a 6-month insurance policy and you can stop paying it the next month. And then it's canceled. So you need, if you can contact this insurance and show that you had those 6 months after July 25th, 2019, then you're in compliance. But just showing one time that you had insurance, that's not sufficient.
Okay, so I have to, so contact them and get the insurances for the last 6 months after that one we just sent in, correct?
For the 6 months occurring from July 25th through, that would be, looks like February of 2020.
Okay,
And if you can
okay,
prove that you had insurance during that period of time, then it would be compliance, but I still think you need to pay the court costs. Juanita, does she still need to pay the court costs? I'm not sure.
I'm sorry, Judge, I'm sorry.
Does she still need to pay the court costs? This is Priscilla Saucedo.
I don't think there was any court costs. Oh, no, yeah, there was, yes. The $72.
Okay, and then when was this proof of insurance provided? Do you have that before you there? I don't have it up.
When was it provided?
Yeah, you gave me,
I don't have, that specific one that you have on hand was emailed to Maria this morning.
oh, so Mrs. You gave this to us this morning.
no, so what happened was that I had taken it in and they had taken copies. So whenever I got the letter that I was not in compliance, that was during
Where?
COVID, right before COVID, I'm sorry. I had gotten the letter. So I was gonna go to court and explain, well, I did turn it in, but then COVID happened and then it was postponed till now. So when this court date came out, I was gonna log on. I called Maria yesterday because I thought my court date was yesterday, and I explained to her that what, you know, that I had turned it in, because I had asked her. I said, well, what do I do now? Because I turned it in when originally I was asked to do it, and my understanding was since I was showing for 6 months, I didn't have to, like, that was good enough. That was my understanding, but because I had shown the receipt and they had taken copies. So I was with an understanding, and that was my misunderstanding, I guess. And so I called Maria yesterday and she says, you're gonna have proof. So that's when we sent her another copy yesterday.
I don't think anything was provided. If you came in to provide it, they would ask you for the court costs at that time too.
I don't show that we ever took copies, Judge, because there's nothing scanned into our system.
Yeah.
But either way, we would have told her what you just said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't, when do you claim you came in?
Oh my God, it was, I mean, it's been so long that I don't remember the exact date that I went in. It was on, I know it was on a Monday that I had gone in.
Well, we have no record of you ever coming in. And again, if you had come in and given us the proof of insurance, they would have given you, they would have said, you got to pay the court cost. And that wasn't paid.
Okay. So moving forward, what can I do? I can call the insurance company and see if they can give me copies or of that.
That's fine. It's going to be plus the court cost and a special expense fee of $75.
$75 plus those copies?
Plus the court cost.
Okay. So
Looks like the court costs are 72 and plus 75, so it's going to be $150 in court costs plus the proof of insurance for those 6 months.
So $150 plus the court fees. Okay. And by when does that have to be submitted?
You know, tomorrow. I mean, there's no, yeah. If you don't do it within 30 days, you know, we're going to go to the alternate fine. It's going to be the $500 or $422 due.
I was just asking if you can give me at least to the end of next week, only because I'm out of town right now.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Do you have the phone number?
Yes, sir. Give me just 1 second. Let me grab some green right with. I know, like this. Okay, I'm ready for the number.
915
915
534
534
3917.
39. I'm sorry.
17.
17.
Yes.
Okay. And that's a number I called to get the fax information so I can send it in, or do I have to physically send it, walk in with it?
You can email it in. Emails,
Okay, email it. Okay, perfect.
but you're going to have to make either payment over phone or you're going to have to come in and make payment.
Okay.
Okay, or, so you're going to make arrangements for payment.
Okay, we can call in and make a payment.
Okay, ask for option 2 or do press option 2.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Why is it that we have to pay 150? I don't get it.
Okay, I don't have anybody else logged in. So Juanita, on everybody else, it'll just be the alternate fund, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, I will leave it open in case somebody does show up. I'll let you know if they do show up. Nobody showed up for the last one. I'll let you know if somebody else does, but otherwise it's going to be the alternate line on everybody, all the remaining cases.
Okay, Judge.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you.
So Juanita, what do you want to remark on these? Just alternate fine on the, or I think, oh, you have it. You have due. So what do you want me to do? Just
I guess, I don't know if there's an option there to do like a failure to appear. And then
do we-
maybe just put alternative fines.
okay. I'll mark failure to appear and then alternate fine. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you.
Judge, quick question. Would you like me to stay here up to when are you
No.
leaving?
No. Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm dismissed.
Yeah, you're dismissed. And if there's somebody shows up, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Okay. All right.
Thank
Have a great
you.
day then. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. You do very good on writing down everything I say, and it's amazing how you all out
Thank
there.
you.
So you do a really good job. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right. Have a great day, everybody.
You too.